understand me, motherfucker? Keep your fucking drone out from over top of my fucking swimming pool, you piece of shit fucking pervert. Do it fucking again. Video me all the fuck you want, you stupid cock-sucking, child-molesting motherfucker. You fly that motherfucker over my swimming pool again, you're gonna have fucking problems, motherfucker. Fucking pervert motherfucker. Stand there like a fucking pussy with a fucking video, you fucking punk motherfucker.
You're not supposed to have it out of your eyesight on this road. Not over top of my fucking pool in my house. You stupid
You're a child molesting fucking pervert. And I know you fucking are, you motherfucker. And you better not fucking do it again.
I'm gonna call the cops right now.
Do it again. I'll kick your ass and that fucking phone's ass. You fucking call the cops. Let them know you're a fucking child molester, you fucking pervert.
And that's what you got to put up with the neighbors.